Have you ever wondered how Azure Logic apps communicate with various services, systems, and platforms? Well, the secret lies in something known as connectors. These integration components act as the bridge, enabling Logic apps to interact with a plethora of services. There are several types of connectors, each with a unique role to play. Starting with the most common, we have the standard connectors. These can be further divided into Microsoft connectors and third-party connectors. Microsoft connectors enable Logic apps to interact with various Microsoft services, like Azure Storage, Azure SQL Database, Office 365, and more. On the other hand, third-party connectors, as the name suggests, support connectors for popular third-party services such as Salesforce, Dropbox, Twitter, and many more. Moving on, we have the enterprise connectors. These are specifically designed for high-end business applications. SAP connectors fall under this category, facilitating communication with SAP systems, allowing Logic apps to integrate with SAP processes and data. Another important enterprise connector is the Oracle E-Business Suite connector, which enables integration with Oracle E-Business Suite applications. What about systems that are not on the cloud? Well, Azure Logic Apps has that covered too. The on-premises connectors, specifically the on-premises data gateway, allow Logic apps to connect to on-premises systems securely. This connector establishes a connection between Logic apps and resources in your local network. Next up, we have the custom connectors. These are for services that expose an HTTP or RESTful API. The built-in HTTP and REST connectors in Logic apps can interact with any such service. There's also an Azure Service Bus connector that facilitates communication with Azure Service Bus for reliable messaging. Finally, there are the built-in connectors. These are for fundamental operations like conditional statements, loops, and error handling. In summary, connectors are the secret sauce that empowers Logic apps to seamlessly integrate with a variety of environments. Whether it's a Microsoft service, a third-party application, an on-premises system, or a custom API, there's a connector for that. They are the versatile tools that make Azure Logic apps such a powerful platform for building automated workflows and business processes. So the next time you're using Azure Logic apps, remember the importance of these connectors and their various uses.